folks, it's Donald McCarthy here with 311 Realty Group, bringing you your update in regards to Dovercourt Village for 2021, or December, the last month of 2021. Happy New Year, folks. I hope it was a good little break for you folks, for you and your families, some nice restful time. So let's dig in. As I always do in my neighborhood videos, our local neighborhoods here, I advise you watch my GTA update for kind of a peek at 2021 and where I see what I see happening in terms of the market in 2022 in regards to real estate prices. We're obviously entering into an inflationary period. Interest rates are starting to increase, where I see that impacting our prices. So yeah, we're looking at obviously charts like this in terms of demand, supply, looking back at 2021, and you can see their prices pretty much leveled out in terms of not really increasing or decreasing pretty much for the last 4 months of 2021, where I see that possibly going in 2022. Anyways, like we always like to do in our monthlies, look at the least expensive and the most expensive sales in Dovercourt Village. There were 6 sales, I believe, in Dovercourt Village. It was very strong, actually. There was quite a bit of supply, but stuff, again, going very, very quickly. Even one of our own sales, we had on the market, I think, 2 days, and we had a preemptive bully offer and sold, got a good result for our clients. And even our other listings in other areas, we saw similar activity as well too. So December was very, very strong, even though demand shows that we were down 33% year over year, really, and it was down month over month as well too, but supply was down dramatically, so that kept things rocking and rolling. Okay, so here's the cheapest home sale in Dovercourt Village for December 2021, 890 Ossington Avenue, little semi-detached 2.5 story here, about 16-foot frontage. Needed a lot of work, hence why the price tag is under $1 million, and of course it's on Ossington, so a bit of a busier street. So there you go. As always, these are below me here in the comment section for you to download, or in the email, there's a download section as well too. So, and the most expensive sale, actually, yeah, this is our sale, 14 Fernbank. We sold that in 2 days. Again, multiple offers. We sold it for 33% of asking. And that's typically the norm. Here was one actually that was on the market for quite a while, 70 days, 486 Delaware. But the most expensive sale goes to this quite nice triplex semi-detached 2.5 story on Shanley, and that went for 1.550. So that was the most expensive sale. Of course, an investment property there for somebody, so for 1.550. Now, also, what we do as well for you on a monthly basis is we look at the last 6 months of activity. We look at what's been the activity in terms of average sale prices for the different home types. But more importantly, when I'm looking at this chart, I'm looking at what's the average days on market, if that's increasing or decreasing. We're looking at the average list to sale ratio, if that's increasing or decreasing. And that tells us really whether we're in a sellers, a buyers, or a balanced market position. And in all the years I've been doing Dovercourt Village, doing these charts, we have never actually entered into a balanced or a buyer's market. We've always been in the seller's market. We could see here on average listing stuff selling 30% above the listing value. So we can see that the auction style sale still works in this neighborhood. If we saw this type of number start to drop towards 100, stuff selling for pretty much bang on what the listing was, would be, then we're in a more traditional style sale market where auction style is not working so much anymore. We're listing it kind of where we feel we could get it. If we start to see that drop down to 90, 80% list to sale ratio, then what we start to say is, okay, we're entering actually a buyer's market because stuff is selling for a lot lower than the listing value. There you have it. On average, in Dovercourt Village, stuff is selling in about 2 weeks, 15 days. On average, is selling 30% above asking. So there you have it, folks. It's Donald McCarthy here with 311 Realty Group. All this stuff is available for you to download below. Do reach out to us. Prognosis for 2022 in a nutshell is that prices are going to continue increasing. Yes, we're going into an inflationary period, which is good for our hard assets like real estate. And yes, our interest rates are going to start increasing. But we're still in an environment where historically our interest rates are super low.